To bende weche mago mamoko wayudo kanyo ni jotend Kuppet bade mano ma Turkana ne wuok oko kendo gi bago ng'anyo ka bende ging'ur ni piny owacho mano mamalo oserema winjo ywak gi kane giloso e gwenge mago malodwa kocha. Jopuonj go wacho ni SHA ok konygi e kinde go ma bende gidhi manyo thieth e ute thieth, kata obedo ni osebed ka ing'ado omenda gi kawuok e osach gi mano ma dwe ka dwe. Bende ne gikoni piny owacho mano mamalo pok ondiko jotich kata pok ondiko jopuonj mago ma bende puonjo sikunde mag JSS.
We want an action from the government. We want a government that speaks and it works. Other than speaking and there's nothing that is happening. We are meant to believe that with the statement that was made by the former deputy president, that SHA in the next six months it's likely to collapse. We are likely to believe that because things in SHA are not working.
NEC must be able to pay the contracted officers and the used marking centers immediately.
With immediate effect.
Those centers, those members that give quality services to the Kenya National Examination Council are already languishing in debts after offering quality service to the Kenya National Examination Council.
Autonomy in fire, see fire. Fire. So we urge the government to ensure that autonomy, JSS autonomy, is implemented for effective and efficient running over the competent-based education in our learning institution.